Controversy that just doesn't stop there. Let's talk about Haryana now, because even as the campaigning has now entered its last leg, the Mahabharat, which is now erupted over the Agnipath scheme as the war of words continue between the BJP and the Congress. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition and Congress MP, this time targeting the centre over the Agnipath scheme, alleging that the scheme is a way for the government to snatch pensions of Agniveers and they have been misleading the people. Remember already when it comes to the Union Home Minister who has taken a swipe at Rahul Gandhi, but first let's listen in to the allegations that have been leveled by the Congress MP.
ये अग्निवीर स्कीम नहीं है, ये गलतफहमी में मत रहिए। ये जवानों की पेंशन चोरी करने का तरीका है, सीधी सी बात है। जो नॉर्मल जवान होता है उसे पेंशन दी जाएगी, पूरी जिंदगी उसे पेंशन दी जाएगी। जिसको अग्निवीर नाम दिया है उसे पेंशन नहीं मिलेगी। मतलब अग्निवीर से उसके जेब से पैसा छीना गया है। कहां गया?
To the questions that have been raised by Rahul Gandhi, the Union Home Minister has now hit back and during a rally that he was addressing in the state, calling him a lying machine. The Union Minister also assured the people of Haryana that the centre will ensure that the Agniveers get their jobs with pensions, and it is a scheme to ensure that the army has young recruits.
राहुल बाबा जो है कांग्रेस के, जानते हो ना जरा? अरे जानते हो या नहीं जानते हो? ये राहुल बाबा ये झूठ बोलने का मशीन है। ये राहुल बाबा कहते हैं कि अग्निवीरों को इसलिए योजना लाए हैं कि सरकार उनको पेंशन वाली नौकरी नहीं देना चाहती। अग्निवीर योजना केवल और केवल हमारी सेना को जवान रखने के लिए बनाई रही। हरियाणा के एक एक अग्निवीर को हरियाणा सरकार और भारत सरकार पेंशन वाली नौकरी देने वाली है, पेंशन वाली।
A word from Nyamika joining us right now. Nyamika, as far as when it comes to the issue of Agniveer, we know that it's a sensitive one. As far as many times that attacks that have come in from the Gandhis, there have been also a rebuttal that has come in from the government side. Here is Rahul Gandhi in a way trying to suggest that the pensions of Agniveers are being snatched by the government.
Well, yes, indeed, as this is, we have seen in the past as well that how the Congress party has been quite critical about the Agniveer scheme, and for that reason now the issue has also now been taken up by the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi during the election campaigning in the state of Haryana, and that's the only reason why yesterday when Rahul Gandhi had started this Vijay Sankalp Yatra in the state of Haryana ahead of the assembly elections, the major target which he had made upon the government of India is regarding the Agniveer scheme, as he has mentioned that this is nothing but just an attempt on the part of the government of India to snatch away the rights of pensions from the Agniveers, as he has mentioned that earlier the army personnel were being given pensions, but this time after this implementation of the Agniveer scheme, they won't be able to get pension, and that's the only tactics which the government of India is using by implementing this scheme. As he has mentioned that the manner in which the government is procuring the defense equipment, as he has also blamed that this is basically just to help certain capitalists within the country, and he has also made a big allegation upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi by saying that helping those capitalist friends, he is basically getting all the money.
Well, that has been the political discourse that has been witnessed in this high-pitched election battle. 4 days to go before Haryana votes. Of course, that remains to be seen as far as the two prime parties are concerned, which are engaged in political war of words, that is the BJP and the Congress. Nyamika, thank you very much. We will be back after a very short break here on Times Now.